So okay guys, here we have question look like this. Okay, so we are asked to determine the value of k. Okay, so here we are going to make this equation equal to 0. So we'll have k squared minus k cubed minus 12 equal to 0. Okay, so based on this power, we may demonstrate this 12. We will have k squared minus k power 3 minus 4 minus 8 equal to 0. When you take this negative 4 plus this negative 8, you will get minus 12. Okay, so k squared minus k power 3, based on power, we may square this 4, but we have 2 square. Then when you have 2 square, you get 4, and negative 2 power 3. Once you power this into 3 times, you will get negative 8. Okay, then equal to 0. Okay, then k squared by combine the number or number of unknown but the same power, will have k squared minus 2 squared minus k power 3 minus 2 power 3 equal to 0. Okay, then we may group to make it simple. Okay, so we'll have k squared minus 2 power 2. Okay, then minus k power 3. Okay, bracket, then plus 2 power 3 equal to 0. When you take this minus, which is this one, and times this negative, you will get this negative. And here we have positive. When you take this negative times positive, which is here, you will get this negative. Okay, then this one here, it is in the form of a minus b squared, and here it is squared. Okay, and this is equal to a plus b times a negative b. Okay, then this 2 here is equal to a cube minus b cube. Okay, which is equal to a plus b times a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, so but here it is ab not 2ab. Okay, so we're going to apply this formula. Okay, so we will have k plus 2, which is this one, and it is from this. Okay, times k minus 2. Okay, minus, then we get here. Okay, we reach here. Okay, this part here, and we're going to apply this formula here. Okay, so we have k plus 2 times k square minus 2k, then plus 2 square. Okay, then then this should be equal to 0, okay? Then here we have this, which is similar with this one, okay? Then we're going to divide this equation, whole equation, by k plus 2, okay? So here we'll have k plus 2, which is constant, okay? Then this one divided by k plus 2, we will remain with this one. We multiply k minus 2, okay? Then minus this equation, this from here up to here, we divide by k plus 2, we remain with this one, okay? We have k squared plus minus 2k, then plus 2 squared. 2 squared, it is 4, okay? Then it is equal to 0, okay? So then we are going to multiply this one, okay, inside here, okay? Then we'll have k plus 2 times k minus 2 minus k squared plus 2k plus 4. It will be equal to 0. Then we're going to sum up this here in a bracket, okay? So we'll have k plus 2 times k plus 2k, it's gonna be 3k, negative 2 plus 4, it's gonna be, here we have negative, okay? Here we have negative, and here we have positive, because negative times negative, it's gonna be positive, and negative times positive, it's gonna be negative. So that's why here we have negative. And here we will have this one, okay? This 3k, okay? Minus 2, which is this one, okay? Then negative this k square, okay? Then plus 2k, okay? Then minus 4, okay? So here we have negative 2 and negative 4. It's gonna be negative 6, okay? Then negative k squared, okay? So it is equal to 0, okay? Then k plus 2, we'll write it by starting by here, okay? Times negative k squared plus 3k minus 6 is equal to 0, okay? So then up to here we are going to make everything equal to 0. You need to make this equal to 0 and this equal to 0 to find the value of k, okay? So k plus 2 is equal to 0. Then k will be equal to negative 2. Okay, then negative k squared plus 3k minus 6 is equal to 0, okay? So you're going to multiply this equation by negative 1 to make it positive, okay? So we'll have positive k squared minus 3k plus 6 equal to 0, okay? Then we're going to apply a formula called delta, where d equal to b squared minus 4ac, okay? So here b is equal to 3k, okay? Then a is equal to 1k squared, and c is equal to 6, okay? Then we're going to apply this formula. Okay, so D will be equal to 3 negative 3 squared minus 4 times 1 times 6. Okay, so D will be equal to 9 minus 24. Okay, then D will be equal to negative 15. Okay, this is D. Okay, and then up to here, K will be equal to negative B plus or minus square root of D divided by 2A. Okay, then K will be equal to negative times negative 3 plus root of 15, negative 15, okay, divided by 2 times 1, okay, so it will be 3 plus root of 15 times negative 1, okay, divided by 2, okay, so root of negative 1 is equal to I, okay, so here we'll have K, which is equal to 3 plus root of 15I divided by 2, okay, so this is K2, okay, then K1 is equal to negative 2, so we're going to find K3 will be equal to negative B minus root of D over 2A, so it will be negative times negative 3 minus root of 15, which is negative, divided by 2A, so it will be 3 minus root of 15I divided by 2 times 1. Remember, this I comes from this negative 1. Negative 1 times 15 is minus 15. And the root of negative 1 is I. Then K3 will be equal to 3 minus root of 15I divided by 2. Okay, this is K3. Then the value of K1 is equal to this one. K2 is equal to 3 plus root of 15I over 2. K3 is equal to 3 minus root of 15I over 2. So this is the value of K in this equation. Okay, so guys, everything is clear, so make sure you are made follow up on this channel for more videos. See you next.